day, but only in my mind, they're the baddest dancer. Head tap, forehead, catch one shoulder. But my God, if I try to do it, like I dance like a white woman. Oh God, please, white people don't get offended, but you know what I mean. I can't dance, so I leave it alone.
What up, peeps? Welcome to another episode of Next Frideh. Now, hold on. This is Scrumptious. Scrumptious. See that? We're here chilling with Stacious this week. Stacious, welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome
Thank you so much
show.
for having me.
Alright, well, a Stacious place today now. So, kick it off. Tell us a little about Scrumptious.
Alright, well today we're at Scrumptious, located inside Don Nice Deli, here at Don's Electrical Building, and that's 15 3/4 Red Hills Road. And yeah, I've been here for a while now, and you know, this is my baby, and I'm just trying to make it work.
Okay, so why you decided to start this Scrumptious?
You know what, I started Scrumptious Juices, or it would have been Scrumptious Cafe back in the day, maybe about 2008.
Okay.
And I think I was ahead of the game. At that time, I don't think people were ready to pay like $400 for a drink. Because I used to complain, Lord, this dear. But then now when everybody is, you know, leaning to the fitness side of life, and they're realizing that eating healthy is not necessarily the cheapest thing, but you know, it's necessary.
Yeah.
So I think now they're ready to accept. So I see other juice bars popping up, and I'm like, oh, I was the first. You know? So yeah, one of those things. I do like it.
So it's business though?
Well, I've been here maybe, let's say, about 14 months now. And it's okay, aside from the whole corona issue.
Right.
And that really hit me at a time when I am, you know, still growing, still promoting, still, you know, trying to, you know, let people know exactly where I'm located and what I'm offering. And no, a lot of people aren't even coming out.
Right.
So it's a bit of a struggle, but thankfully I am still able to survive, and I have been open practically throughout the entire thing.
Okay.
And just, you know, trying to adapt.
Well, clearly Stacious is a very busy woman these days, because we call her and she not enough time to talk to me on the phone.
Lord.
You understand?
Did I have to tell them?
But look here now. How you balance, how you juggle everything that's happening now? Your music career, your little baby here, so Scrumptious, family life. How you juggle everything?
Yeah, I must confess, I'm not the best at balancing all of my responsibilities. Sometimes I'll fall short on one side or the other. But where my business is concerned, when I just started out, you know, I had to, you know, basically captain the ship for a while before I got employees that I could trust and depend on. And thankfully now I have a team that, you know, they can miss me for a week, and I know that everything is good. You know, shout out to Kevina and Mishka. You know,
Kevina and Mishka.
Yeah, they them hold me down, you know.
Who makes this one for me?
That Kevina did that.
Kevina, big up yourself. It tastes good. This is what, which one again?
This is that's just the basic fruit shake.
Fruit shake. We got all
no
natural.
milk,
Yeah,
right?
man. All natural. Yeah.
And where music is concerned now, thankfully I have my own studio, so I can record at, you know, on my own time, which is not as often as it should be, you know, not a confession there. And where family life is concerned, thankfully I see them every day, every morning, every night. So it's not like I am a traveling salesperson and I'm missing for days on end. And because, you know,
it's time for dinner.
right, and which I have to cook that dinner too. So it's not like a lot of shows are being held to say, okay, I have to be traveling or I'm away. So this is a time, I think, you know, this whole pandemic hit us for us to realize that there is life outside of the hustle and bustle and the up and down and the excitement. And we can look to other sources of income because we see entertainment really gets a beat. Trust me, I think people in the entertainment sector are suffering more than any other sector.
Is there anything though that you think? Because I hear people saying that the government should have been doing more in terms of helping the sector. I mean, some people feel like they focus more on like the tourism sector, and the entertainment sector is just as valid and they make a great contribution to the economy as well.
It does, and entertainment is one of those drawing factors for tourists as well. So I think definitely greater attention can be paid to the sector. And I was listening to a program. I'm not sure exactly who was on the program, but they were discussing how they would be able to keep an event during a time like this. So basically, let me give you a rundown of what the person said. So he said he would split the party in sections. So once you go in, your ticket would be marked A, B, C, or D, and you would have to stay in section A. So, for example, if somebody in section A comes up positive within the time frame of a couple of days or whatever, they will only have that 200 people in section A to contact, and not the 1,000 people that were in the entire party. So they were, but I think we're past the contact tracing phase now. So I don't know, but I'm sure we are very ingenious people. We can figure it out and come up with something. So, because the hairdresser as so far, go do nails as often as before. No clothes now make, it's like, wow. It's a ripple effect. It's a ripple effect because entertainment and then the fashion with the stores. So, something needs to be figured out.
Okay. Well, I mean, what you do here kind of right in the middle, kind of balance it because people have to eat, people have to...
Yeah, I think that's the only sector that has not been suffering. Transportation has been cut, yes, but people still have to move around, we do the daily stuff. And people still have to eat. So if you notice, I think supermarket make more money.
Oh gosh, man. I go in the supermarket.
When people start stock up and start fret, say this is go run short.
Remember say Storm and them something there now. Once a year Storm, supermarket car. Once a year lockdown for the pandemic, supermarket car.
Right.
I own a supermarket. Why you never own a supermarket?
Why the capital we needed?
You could have started small man and expand.
It's so heavy right now. But it's a thought.
Yeah man, for real.
It's a thought.
So in terms of music, back to the music though, what are some of the songs you have promoting, pushing currently? Okay,
well, right now I am promoting Arch and Juke on the Pepper Up rhythm, produced by Soldier Life Records.
Hold on. It named Arch and Juke. Now, I had picturing something in my mind, but Chef will explain to me what this Arch and Juke mean.
You have to listen to the song and you'll get the full picture.
You feel like say I have to give a piece of that
but
song.
I am not a dancer, but when you hear Arch and Juke, of course you start thinking about body movements and body are gyrating and some fast and slow twitching and them things there. Yeah, but only in my mind, you're the baddest dancer. Head tap, forehead, catch one shoulder. But my God, if I try to do it, like I dance like a white woman. Oh God, please, white people don't get offended. But you know what I mean. I can't dance, so I leave it alone. But it's good that I can still do a song and it can still get people moving, get them hyped and just get them in that mood,
So what else you have on the agenda?
On the agenda is the video for Arch and Juke. That's definite. But outside of that, I really don't know what else is to come for the rest of this year. It's like
2020
day. Because it's like I really don't want to drop a whole heap of material too, and then I'm kind of stuck with finding ways to promote. Because nothing I keep, me can't travel, me can't this, So it's like it's kind of like a wait and see thing. So I'm just playing it by ear.
What about the online platforms though? You find yourself on social media more trying to push stuff?
I am on social media. I wouldn't say more because I've always maintained the social media presence. Try to interact, try to answer messages as much. lucky, alright, back in the day when I just came out, if social media was existent in that time, it would have been way easier. Because at the time, them kind of YouTube just a push out, like 2004 when we just dropped the first song and stuff. So it's a tool that makes promotion easier, but at the same time, it's like you're bombarded with so much material, so much new people, so much tagging, so much music being dropped.
Yeah,
so it's like it's hard to kind of
sift through everything.
sift through and stand out on your own. So it's still a work in progress, and I wouldn't say I've mastered the right way how to market social media wise, but I'm working on it.
Okay. You mentioned when you came out with the first song. What was the first song again? Remind us.
First song was Thug Girl.
Thug Girl.
Yes, produced by Computer Paul.
Computer Paul.
Yeah, big up Computer Paul. That was my first manager, and Computer Paul really taught me the business side of the business.
Okay.
So big him up all the time, enough respect.
And a lot of people don't know the business side.
Right.
Even today.
That's why you have so much, falling out with manager and artists when a little money start make, because somebody always gonna complain so them a get robbed, or them have things already, so why me can't have things to understand say it's an investment, and your manager is not there to find money out of thin air and spend it on you. Your manager is there to spend your money.
In terms of like management now, you handle all of your business now.
Well,
you have a team that you're working with.
Doc is still my manager. After Computer Paul, I was working with Doc Mac Entertainment, which is 2 individuals. So there was a split. So I'm still being managed by one of the partners in Doc Mac, and he's still there. But I mean, I don't flop around from team to team, and sometimes people get a little bit busy with balancing their own personal life as well, so I just have to be as understanding as he is understanding with me, because a lot of times when things are on schedule to be done, I am like nowhere to be found because I have something else to do, and he's frustrated at times with that, but he's still with me, so I have to do the same.
Yeah, man. That's a good relationship. You have to understand
it's
the person.
more than
you're working
business.
with.
It's he's become family.
Right.
It's been years.
Okay. So in terms of like, party scene and nothing not really happening, is it just all work for you? What you do to kind of relax the
Watch
mind?
TV and sleep.
Since it's Corona thing, everybody watch TV now. Not Netflix.
Watch out, I'm tired of Netflix. Watch out Netflix. Like, when I go on Netflix, I'm skipping and I'm like, watch it.
You watch everything on Netflix
Watch
already.
it. I watch out majority of the series them, and like when I watch series, I binge watch. I don't know how somebody can take 1 month to watch out something. No, me need to be done in like 4 days.
Yes.
So like me not sleep, me stay up 4 o'clock in the morning, like my eyes shut down. Or me just want to hurry up and go through it. So yeah, I binge watch. And I mean, I like it. It's like being home or being quarantined hasn't really like crushed my spirit really, because I was always a homebody. I actually like staying home, watching TV, chilling. My mother used to tell me say I sleep more than the law allow. No, I kind of understand where she come from with it. But yeah, I mean, I just do whatever is still available to be done. Now I realize that 1 and 2 places I get some nice discounts for you get to enjoy your own country. So
thanks to Corona.
I gotta take part in all of them little things that we can take part in and just actually live.
Yeah, man.
And not just, be working and chasing the dream and chasing that good life. Just actually live.
Yeah.
Live it,
You mentioned about chasing the dream. What is it that you not quite achieve yet or put a finger on it, but you want that? Whether for your business or for your musical career, what is that thing?
There are a lot of elements, and you basically covered them. There is music and there is personal life. On the music side, I'm sure every artist would love to have a Billboard song or a Grammy nomination. And I almost got the Billboard song with Coming to My Room with Movado.
Yeah,
but because of some copyright issues, we were pulled. I don't know if people don't understand the politics behind that song, but that song was going places. So I'm still grieving over that.
Just want to say you must still disappointed.
Yeah, I know, but hopefully I'll get another chance to get
back
there.
and
Right. Personal life, no. I think I definitely want a child, one, or if I get twins in one shot, we'll get two in a one. You hear me? All right.
go with you.
But yeah.
Wait till after Corona, yeah?
Yeah, because right now it's like everything iffy.
Yeah, man.
You have to just like I say, it's just a wait and see right now.
Remember the girl where got Andrew's hospital?
I know.
You know, the pregnant girl. Why?
Sad case.
You know, I'm scared of them something, man. I not even want sick. Because I'm not going to no doctor. I don't want sick.
You know, when last you see somebody have flu? No, think about
Flu
it.
is not allowed. Flu is not allowed in these times.
When last?
But flu season will come up now. Christmas will come up now. So, what want for Christmas?
For the Christmas. Like I said, it's wait and see. We don't know if we're gonna have a curfew or if we're gonna able to can go road. So we cannot plan on this big Christmas happening when we're not sure what is gonna happen. But like I said, it's a wait and see. I'm a December baby, so hopefully I'll get to celebrate my birthday. Not sure how, but I'm sure it will be, a small circle, close-knit friends and family, and just see how best I can celebrate and enjoy it,
Yeah, man, for real, man. Viewers, a long time I not see Stacious.
Yeah.
And she have to go sing for it. She have to go do a thing for it. So,
all right.
Tell me which song.
Let's start from Pray. Pray was a last year release. The video is on my YouTube channel. Please, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Stacious Music. You can check out the full video for the newest songs, and you can, of course, subscribe so you can see the upcoming ones. So let's kick it with Pray, right?
Okay, Pray.
Dear Father God, it's your picnic coming to you, once more. Me I beg you for help and your guidance, strength, and send me one cure. Cure for the wicked where you fight me, and a cure for the tongue where you walk when not like me. You plot for me fall down nightly, and who vex me blessed and lifted up highly. Say I pray, I pray, I pray, I pray. I know there's power in your name. Oh God, I pray, I pray, I pray, I pray. For my enemies the same. Sure. Me a pray for the blessings like rain. Pray for your every shower, wash away the pain and hurt and anger. But me forgive who me help and trust, but them just not love me no longer. God, you know me soul and me intent. You don't know, check it up on the video. Pray.
Alright.
So, you still want one more?
Well, say
me attack for arch and joke. No, me
said me want hear that song then.
Alright, ready now.
So
bend me back like me dep on a big bike. Man a draw seat, say them a take insight. Me a do it good, me a do it right. Body ever up the muscle tight. Yeah, me say me nice and I him say me sweet. Boy, if he come 7 days of the week, draw for the stick, gear a shift every jeep. Arch and joke, me a arch and joke. No say me up there, me no say me neat. Can't settle down when the music a beat. Why not me body shake it up and bend the knees? Arch and joke, me a arch and joke. Hey, top class, me day in a top class. Sweet like a honey, hotter than a pepper sauce. Have me want a money, them no system, me a the boss. I me not fake call no man and me fi floss. Yeah, set up on the floor and me a twist it and a turn it. Body a fi fit and then if me a fi burn it. Cleaner than a whistle, every whistle me a firm it. No stress to me life. Well, cock up is a 10, but see them me get 11.
Alright.
Let me start. Let me not get carried away. But yeah, check out Arch and Joke on my Billboard channel, Stacious Music.
And we're looking forward to when the video drops.
Yeah, the video has to be old school and sexy, don't it?
Yeah, man.
Right.
For real, man. Alright, well, what do you want to your fans then?
Definitely thank you so much for the support. I get a lot of messages, when we get something new, why are you so quiet? And sometimes it hurts. I'm not quiet, but I just want to do a lot of things that I enjoy that is not necessarily centered around music, you know. I'm at KPH volunteering in the physiotherapy department, and like when I'm actually working on ward and hands-on with patients, they're like, hey, you, but I'm like, it's not for the money, because like I said, it's volunteer, but it's so gratifying to be helping people. And you know, sometimes the nurses, the doctors, the other physiotherapists, they're so overwhelmed, and that time that they want, that they would definitely want to sit and talk with a patient, they can't afford. And sometimes them just want to tell you the story or the injury happened and who did trouble them and what am I gonna do when them come out, and for that little 10 minutes so they can sit and listen and say, yeah, for real, it makes a difference. And that is just something that I like trying to make a difference in somebody's life.
So you actually know stuff about physiotherapy?
Well, I'm a certified personal trainer, and I mean, physiotherapy is way more than exercise, but it does touch on exercise. So sometimes for patients that are bedridden, I have a lot of, because I was working on the orthopedic ward, so you know, if a bike injuries, they're kind of immobile for a while, you know, we still have to do, you know, active movement and, you know, help them to still regain some strength in certain areas. Sometimes them just to start walk back, we have to ambulate them and stuff like that. So yeah, I've learned a lot. I've been there for 2 years now, and I have learned so much, and it's way more than a lot of people think. Way more.
We can see that she's to the fitness team. She looks fit enough. You can't see.
Lazy fit, thick fit.
You can't see, but she looks fit. But how serious you take the fitness thing? Like, you're one of those
I'm not
persons
perfect.
who
I'm not perfect.
have to work out every day.
No. By no means, no, I'm not perfect. I will be really good, really consistent for a couple of weeks, and then I'm like, yo, want some yogurt? Or people some white chocolate?
You know, just double up when you eat
You want some
white
peanut
chocolate,
butter?
man.
Like my favorite shake is called a thick up,
Okay.
and it's called a thick up because of the fat content. So some people that want to probably, you know, gain a little weight or
People?
something. And that's what I drink like almost every day, and I shouldn't be. Yeah, it's thick up. That's my favorite drink right there.
To pick up.
That's my favorite drink, and that's the peanut butter shake. So, you know, I'm not perfect, but I try to balance it out. So I know that, alright, if I'm not working out right now, I'm definitely going to be counting my calories and cut where I can cut. So if I can take water instead of juice, and still definitely eat piece of cake too, I'm going to cut where I can cut.
I wonder if we can start lift some weights.
Well, the gym is right upstairs. The gym is right upstairs, so this is like a one-stop perfect shop for me. So my juice bar is on the ground floor. The gym is on the 4th floor. It's like one of the best gyms in Jamaica right now. And then my sports bar is on the roof, right by the football field.
You know,
so it's like
on the roof, man.
one-stop shop.
Yeah, man. Everything there.
Right, so you can chill, have a cold beer and watch the game, whether on the field or on TV. Right.
Well, I plan to check out that sports bar.
Right.
When the thing, you know?
Right.
When
When it opens.
Peeps, there you have it. Another episode of Next Friday. It was great chilling with Stacious. And of course, remember to check out our YouTube channel. The new music is there. Stacious Music.
Yes.
All
My
right.
Instagram, The Real Stacious. Twitter, The Real Stacious. And Facebook is Real Stacious.
Everything are real Stacious. No fakes no there. No fake Stacious are there. But Stacious, it was good.
Thank you so much for having me.
Big up.
Thank you.
All right.